What if I told you that in just a few years, making money online could be as easy as a click? Thanks to powerful AI tools, you won't need special skills or even a camera. Anyone can create content and earn by recommending these tools. Today, I'll share the top 5 AI tools with affiliate programs for beginners. Let's jump right in. First up, we have Jasper AI. It's the leading AI writing assistant, trusted by thousands. Jasper can write blog posts, ads, emails, and more, all in minutes. Many beginners use Jasper to kickstart writing gigs or build their own content sites effortlessly. What makes it even better? Jasper has a fantastic affiliate program that rewards you every time someone signs up through your link. This means you can earn passive income just by sharing a tool that helps millions create content. Next is Leonardo.ai, an AI-powered art and design platform. With Leonardo, you can craft stunning digital artwork, graphics, and visuals without any design skills. It's perfect for content creators and marketers looking to stand out in a crowded market. Leonardo.ai also offers an affiliate program that pays you commissions for every new user you refer. So, share your love for AI art and get rewarded. A fun and creative way to earn money online. Third, we have InVideo, a versatile video creation platform. Packed with thousands of templates and easy editing tools, InVideo makes video creation a breeze, even for beginners. You can create professional quality videos for YouTube, TikTok, ads, and more without any prior experience. What's more, InVideo's affiliate program offers recurring commissions. You keep earning as your referrals stay subscribed. Video content is becoming essential in 2025, and InVideo gives you the best tool to capitalize on this trend. Before we finish, let's highlight 2 bonus tools: ChatGPT and Synthesia. ChatGPT powers chatbots and content creation, while Synthesia allows effortless creation of AI avatars and presentations. Both platforms have affiliate programs with excellent earning potential. So why are these tools great for beginners? You don't need technical skills, expensive equipment, or a large team. All you need is creativity and a desire to share these amazing AI solutions. Are you ready to start making money with AI in 25? Check the links in the description to sign up for these tools and their affiliate programs. Don't wait. The future is here, and AI is your ticket to financial freedom.